What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about our legend, Elvo Votirango. Yababona-ke la bantwana bayangisukela. Dum. Yo, lali ngihlanyisa lelo culo guys and bengibabona bamaraza mfethu lapha eDUT benekhona labo lapha eStandard Bank elivutha kabi yabona nje ungakwazi ukubloma lapha yana bubonakala ukuthi hayi indaba yakho or else you will never be a star cause most of my Kwaito stars that time, DJs, artists, they were hanging Leandao. It was a nice place to be in Jemfithu, when if you know what you have made it in life. But now we all know the stories about Tuguti Begate, Senigalelo and stuff like that. And that thing just vele yahlukanisa umphakathi phakathi nendawo. Hlangana Zulu, owakithi lo uNdlovu lo bafethu. Sometimes izinto zenzeka empilweni uthola ukuthi awunakile usemncane noma uyakhula and then there is time where uNkulunkulu la ezokukhombisa khona ukuthi no matter what you do but I'm still on your side. Without saying anything that much, here's the video esisafesile abantu abathi allegedly ila esedla khona lo 500,000 orezwe abantu bemfuna ukuthi aphumelele again bamsize kuloko konke lokho asekulahlekile siyazi ukuthi ube ne-interview estation ne-legend yenza nje i-magic ngalendlela ukuthi azathole lo 500,000. Ake sibuke le video and then we're gonna dive deeper ukuthi ngempela is this true or maybe not. By the way guys, you're watching Deppin Online Podcast, the number one podcast in KZN, if not the world, DOB, and my name is Fly Motion.
Been back, yes. Beanbag Comedy Show is back at the Beanbag Jazz Lounge. See you on the 6th. Bafethu amatikiti at Web Tickets, Naga Pick and Pay, or you can get them at the door. Thank you so much. See you there. Yeah.
So guys, what do you think about this video? Do you think this is a recent video or maybe this is just made up because I'm not sure, but you can see la besevele eseshaywe a stroke or a kid. But anyway, asikho lapha abantu abaningi ba complain ngokuthi irazo njoba sekufanele manje inikelele bikade iphila a lavish lifestyle ingathanda abantu this and that, so many things ephumile ku social media about Elvo Votirango. But guys, phela now he has changed. Usethathe wathatha ngisho indlela yokuthi abheke enkosini uJesu. You understand what I'm saying? And he has changed his life. So uyayidinga about 30-second chance like everybody else. But yo, indlela ama-comment ama-serious ngayo mfethu laphayana ku-Facebook naku-Twitter, each and every platform ongayicabanga. Guys, sometimes we need to be considerate ukuthi mhlawumbe abantu ngelinye ilanga basuke benza amaphutha ngoba bengazi mfethu, but it's up to you mfethu ukuthi nithini nina. Do you really think ukuthi kumele ngempela at some point swa donate ama-celebrity or obani ekufanele ngempela bayadonatela yabo? And if singabadonateli, what must be done yabo leon? Because I really feel ukuthi no government they should angenelele kule ndaba because na uElvo usebenzile even namanye ama-artists, not Elvo kuphela, usebenzile mfethu nama-government department ahlukile. Or maybe there must be something ekuthiwa i-UIF for ama-artists ase-KZN, something of that nature. Cela ukuthi sihlangane lapha kwi-comment section ulike and make sure ukuthi bafethu uya subscribe to my channel ukuze le video le noma le channel ikhule phela idlondlobale ilingane nalamanye amakhulu iziwadlule. KZN, do your thing lapha in the comment section. Anyway, nangu Khuzani, this is another topic on its own. Because some of abantu abanikelile bavelile kuma social media beyiveza manje ngo-Elvovo, and that's the whole purpose yale video yanamhlanje, ukuthi nakhona nje lapho mfethu ukuthi uma usumnikelelile u-Elvovo, do you really have to show yourself and the amount of money osuyifakile laphayana, or ukuthi ene wena udonate u-20,000 or donate to 10 or 200. And there is this other nyanga yase Bergville or somewhere along those lines. Ebizwa Elvovo yazowenza ivideo yamhumiliator yaqeda lapho yasimnika u-2,000 rand, all just for ukuthi nje kubenefite inyanga. Yabo lento sikhuluma ngeinto eziningi all along kade ngekho lo muntu. But guys, do you really think that's a good idea? Do you really think we have to siyekelela inyanga zizongenelela ezintweni ezingahlangene nabo? Most of the time inyanga za like KZN, if zibona kune gap mhlawumbe njengoba u-Elvovo nje kade esekufanele anikelele, naye kusezoqhamuka kazosho ukuthi hayi uyazi ukuthi uphethwe yini, hayi naye imali afuna ukumnikelela yona yena utholakala kuphi uma ufuna usizo. Guys, I think this is we have enough of inyanga trying to sell their stuff ngosizo labanye abantu. Anyway, and here's some of the comments engiwatholile laphana I think this is Twitter, yeah. Indosi at Sparks uthi mina noma ngifuna ukumdabukela kodwa washela intombi yami ngenkani ngihleli nayo eNews Cafe Suncoast Casino. We had to leave and go to Vakamata imikhuba yoDirango. Besithi laphana omunye athi it's unfortunate that he has a stroke now, but umhlaba uyazilungisela. Oh, clever. The stories of how abusive he was to varsity girls who refused to entertain him during his prime time are really concerning. So this is another issue, guys, that we need to deal with, because yabona social media mfethu never forgets. I'm not condoning anything u-Elvovo Tiranga mhlambe ayenza at that time, and it's unfortunate ukuthi sonke mesikhula bafethu there are some mistakes that we're gonna do or make or be or in the wrong situation in the wrong time. But sometimes forgiveness bafethu iyasiza mfethu eyintweni eziningi, iyasiza kakhulu, because nami I have my own skeletons yabo ekumele nami ngenze okuhle ngakho, noma mhlambe ngigcina, noma mhlambe ngithi hayi angisasengi right ngala yabo. But izinto ezicika kakhulu izona lezi ukuthi abona nje u-internet, anything you do, don't forget, because internet will never ever forget. Hey guys, like I said, getting a little comment in the comment section. Don't forget to press the like, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel, DOP, the #1 podcast in KZN, if not the world. Anyway, beside everything, let me show you, but u-Elvovo yena naye ugcine esekwazile ukuthi akhiphe eyakhe mfethu i-public announcement esichazela ukuthi how grateful he is ukuthola imali engaka. By the way, nikhumbula ukuthi usethola imali engaphezulu kwa-500,000. 500,000. Shout out to Mr. Magic mfethu ngokwenza sure ukuthi magic yakhe is shining to everyone in need. And shout out to ubaba Pastor Uvusi Dube wesonto lakhe eThekwini laphayana eThekwini. Yangizwa lapha eThekwini laphayana eThekwini ubafethu siyamazi sonke ubaba Uvusi Dube uve uyaqhasa kuyo yonke into, and ngiyakhumbula ukuthi naye ukhule kahle nje ubaba Dube, ubaba wethu close to ama-artist, so akaze lenza iphutha if kukhona i-artist eliba nenkinga. So konke sesikushilo-ke sithi asizwe ngani nina-ke ezumphakathi, sizwe ngama-dope comment, size ngom-dope artist, size ngama-dope viewers, subscribers laphayana fethu kwi-comment section. Thank you so much. Hopefully le episode izovula amehlo abantu and sithole isifundo mayelana nento ka-Elvovo Tiranga. By the way, guys, you're watching the dopest show in KZN, if not the world. Yes, the OP Durban Online Podcast with Fly Motion. Siqhubeka nje sibuye amanye ama-video that will pop up in your screen right now.